स्टूडेंट, आज मैं आपके साथ न्यू ऐसे शेयर कर रही हूँ। इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर इन आवर डेली लाइफ, पैराग्राफ ऑन कंप्यूटर, एडवांटेजेस ऑफ कंप्यूटर, वाई कंप्यूटर आर इम्पॉर्टेंट। तो ये जो भी ऐसे आपको कंप्यूटर के बारे में आएगा, आप ये इजीली लिख सकते हैं और आसानी से याद भी कर सकते हैं। और अगर आप इस चैनल में नए हैं तो इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें। चलिए अब मैं आपके इसका स्टार्ट करती हूँ। Science has made human life easy and comfortable. It has discovered many inventions which are being used all over the world. Modern machines and computers are common in our industries, offices, and home. Computer is the most amazing and wonderful invention. It is an electronic device. It helps to make work faster and much more productive. Computer can solve problem in a very short period of time. It can store vast amount of information to be used as needed. Computer has made this wide world very small. Computer was linked to telephone after several ceaseless long efforts were made. Internet and computer go hand in hand today. Computer is playing great role in every field. Computers are being used for various purposes. Today, computer has become an important part of one's education. Computer helps the student to learn new things. Computer make it easy to create assignment or project. Computers are widely used for online classes in hospitals. Computers are widely used to maintain records of patients. Due to computer, it is easy to do a quick analysis of the overall investment, profits and loss, expenses, sales, and many other aspects of business. In addition, computers play a vital role in launching, controlling, building, maintaining spacecraft, and operating many other technologies. It is also a great source of entertainment and information of the modern world. Communication is made easy by the use of emails. It is a fast means of communication and costs little. We can use the internet on a computer, which provides the necessary information in a very short time. While it has numerous benefits, so we should use it wisely. Now the computer has found its way in our daily lives with its great usefulness. तो स्टूडेंट, आपको ये ऐसे ज़रूर आसान लगा होगा। आप ये ऐसे आसानी से कर सकते हैं और कंप्यूटर पे कोई भी टॉपिक आए आप ये आसानी से लिख सकते हैं। तो इस चैनल को आगे ज़रूर शेयर करें और इसमें और भी इंग्लिश के एसेस की प्लेलिस्ट हैं, आप उसको ज़रूर देखें और सब्सक्राइब कर दें चैनल। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।